Hey everyone, Trevor here, and in the current situation, there appears to be no in-game option to recover lost loadouts or character customization in Helldivers 2. Some players have experienced issues with emotes and titles resetting after missions, indicating a possible saving bug affecting certain aspects of customization. Here are some workarounds you can try to report the bug. The most impactful step is to report the issue to the developers. This helps them track the problem and prioritize a fix in future updates. Submit a bug report through the official Arrowhead Game Studios channels or relevant gaming forums. Loadout management. While you can't recover lost loadouts, consider creating and saving multiple loadouts to have backups in case of a reset. This way, you can quickly switch to a pre-configured setup if needed. Manual saves if applicable. If Helldivers 2 offers a manual save option during missions, check settings or gameplay menus. Create a manual save point before customizing your character or loadout. This might create a restore point in case of a reset, but this functionality depends on the specific game mechanics. Cloud saves if applicable. If Helldivers 2 utilizes cloud saves, check platform settings or game menus to ensure cloud saves are enabled. This might create a backup of your character data on the cloud, potentially mitigating data loss due to resets. Regarding gun reloading, specific information on Helldivers 2's reloading mechanics might be scarce at this stage. In most games, reloading is triggered by a designated button, usually on PC. Weapons might have unique reload animations or mechanics. Refer to in-game tooltips or weapon descriptions for details specific to Helldivers 2. Lastly, stay updated by keeping an eye on official Helldivers 2 channels, forums, and social media for updates or patch notes addressing loadout customization reset issues. Developers often implement bug fixes based on player reports. Remember to avoid using unofficial tools or mods to recover lost data, as they can cause further complications or violate the game's terms of service. With these workarounds, you can manage the situation until a permanent fix arrives.